Hello and welcome back to another one of my videos. This time I'm going to show you how to do some conditional formatting to a list view in SYSPRO 8. And this technique is also available in SYSPRO 7, but I'm using the latest and greatest. In this case, I'm going to go to customer query and I'm going to highlight all rows from the invoice list view where the list view or where the invoice has over 5,000 balance remaining. And so that'll make it really easy for me when I go into customer query to see which invoices still have a balance. So in this case, I'm going to go just do it on customer one. Doesn't matter what customer, it will apply to everyone. But I want to see some values here, so let that load up. And there's lots of invoices for this customer. So you can see there's lots of balances over 5,000. There's a few that are under, but the majority of them are over 5,000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on any of the headers for this list view. I'm just going to do it on the column that I'm looking at. Conditional formatting. I'm going to go to advanced. And in here you see this nice complicated looking screen, but it's actually quite simple. You can rename the rule if you want to. I'm going to go balance remaining. And then the rule applies to what column? Well, I want it to be applied to the balance remaining. And in this case, I'm going to format cells. And I have a bunch of options. I can go, well, if the cell equals 5,000, if it does not equal 5,000, or if it's greater than, less than. In this case, I'm going to go greater than. And my value is going to be 5,000. So if it's greater than 5,000, then I could skip down to the formatting section here. So I can go either the cell itself. So in this case, just the balance remaining cell could turn red, or I can have the whole row. And you can play around with these when you do your own conditional formatting. But I'm just going to make the background of the entire row turn kind of a reddish pink. So when I apply that, you can see already it's worked. I'm going to apply and exit, and you can see all the balances over 5,000 are now this pinky red color, and the ones under 5,000 are still white. And that's it. That's all there is to adding conditional formatting. If I want to now take that off, I can right click, go back to my conditional formatting, go back to advanced, and I can go remove. And then next time I refresh, the color won't be there anymore. And just to show that, there you go. Formatting's gone. That's it. So if you've got some time, feel free to check out some of our other videos. And if you learned anything, give it a like. Thanks.